Good morning, students. So we are doing lesson number 2 and this is assignment 4B, and our topic for today is pricing strategies. We all are doing the 4 P's of marketing mix, and we have already completed the first P, and that is product, and the second P is meaning. Price is the second P. We have done its meaning and the factors affecting price. So today we are going to study about the various pricing strategies. So first of all, you should understand that pricing means setting a particular MRP for a product, and this is one of the most difficult decisions because if the prices are too high, then the consumers will not purchase the product, right? Because they won't be able to buy it. And if the prices are too low, then the customers will think that the product is not of good quality. All right, so it has to be a certain which price is to be set for a particular product. So to set the price, there are different pricing strategies for different types of products as well as for different types of groups of customers. Because some customers, they can pay higher prices. Some are there who cannot pay high prices. All right, and it also depends on company to company or from firm to firm which strategy they follow. First strategy is skimming pricing. Second is penetrating pricing. Third is cost plus pricing, and next parity pricing. Today we will be discussing the first one, that is skimming pricing. Second, penetrating pricing. Third one we will do later as it is lengthy, and we will be doing fourth one, parity pricing today. So these three we are going to do today. All right, so let me first tell you the meaning of these words. Skimming means skim the cream. For example, when your mother, she takes out the milk from the refrigerator in the morning, which she has kept in the refrigerator in the night, what does she do first? First of all, she takes off the cream from it, separates the cream, and then uses that milk. Then she reheats it, right? So that is known as skimming. That is what is done in the first strategy, in which higher prices of the products are set in the initial stage. Initial stage means in the beginning only, when the product has been introduced, so that the cream of money can be taken from the market, and with that amount you can pay the expenses that you have incurred on the production of that product. All right. Second is penetrating pricing. Penetrating means when you're forcing something inside. You can take the example of hammering a nail, right? So when you hammer a nail in a wooden plank, what are you doing? You are penetrating that nail into the wooden plank, right? So that is what penetrating means, forcing inside something. All right, so penetrating pricing is the same, in which low prices are set in the beginning, all right, so that you can penetrate in the market, means you can enter the market, you can have a place in the market, and then you can initially, means slowly, you can raise the prices of the product. So in skimming pricing, you are starting with high prices in the beginning only, whereas in penetrating pricing you are starting with low prices, and later on slowly you will raise the prices. All right, but here you are doing the opposite. You are starting with high prices and later on you will lower down the prices so that all customers can purchase your product. All right, then fourth is parity pricing. Parity means similar to others. All right, so what happens in this case? In this case, we set the prices similar to the competitors. All right, whatever the prices competitors are having, we will have those prices. This is what happens in parity pricing. All right, so these are the types of pricing that we are going to do today: skimming, penetrating, and parity pricing. So let us read from the books now. Starting with the first one, that is skimming pricing.